Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop for cake decoration step by step. Start by gathering sugar, corn syrup, water, molds, and sticks, then set up a clean workspace. Heat sugar and corn syrup together and monitor with a candy thermometer until clear and amber. Pour carefully into prepared molds, insert sticks, and let cool completely. I'll explain color, flavoring, and demolding tips so your lollipops look professional and taste great. Heat the sugar mixture gently and keep a steady hand with your candy thermometer for accuracy. Bring the mixture to the hard crack stage, usually near 300 degrees F, and resist stirring to avoid crystals. Remove from heat and allow bubbles to settle before adding flavor and color quickly, but carefully. Work promptly when pouring into molds because the candy sets fast. I'll also share safe handling tips so you avoid burns and get consistent results every batch. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful baking videos. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for following recipes and storing cake decorating guides, and it fits nicely near your counter for quick reference. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After the sugar reaches the right temperature, remove it from heat and stir in concentrated flavor extracts and gel colors for vivid hues. Pour the hot candy into prepared molds quickly, then insert sticks straight and deep enough to secure them. Allow the lollipops to cool and harden completely on a flat surface before demolding to keep edges neat. I'll explain how to fix air bubbles and how to make patterned swirls for decorative cake toppers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.